Hi everyone, I am Munish here from Sheila Herbals HQ. So today we are going to have a very short introduction about all our products. So just want to let you know that we are having several type of products such as skincare, hair care, wellness, self-care and also cosmetic products. And today we are going to see the first introduction about our skincare products, starting with Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk. Our Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk is really helpful for reduce appearance of fine lines and also wrinkles, as well as remove oiliness on your skin. It also moisturizes your skin and prevent dryness. Based on our customers' review, this Fruity Gentle Cleansing Milk is best to use as a makeup remover. The second product that we are going to have a look is Vitamin C Foam Cleanser, which is one of our top selling products. Vitamin C Foam Cleanser packed with vitamins and also natural extracts. It's dissolve impurities and cleanse the skin. Deeply cleanse of dirt, impurity and also makeup. Vitamin C Foam Cleanser balance the skin pH level and also unclog the pores, which make your pores more smaller. It also smooth and brighten up dull skin. So the next product we are going to see is a Expert Toning Solution, which is not only a toner, it's an essence toner. This essence toner is packed with vitamins and antioxidants and most comparable to a serum. The main function of a toner is to balance the pH level of the skin after cleansing and to remove the last trace of dirt and residue that your cleanser may have missed. Now let's have a look on our dual serum, which is enzyme serum and also oxygen serum. Let's start with enzyme serum. Our enzyme serum formulated with salicylic acid, which helps to remove the dead skin cells. It also lightens scars and brighten up skin, and it also known to reduce whitehead and blackheads. It has been proven that our enzyme serum helps a lot of our customer acne prone skin. Our next serum is oxygen serum. This serum is enriched with capsulated vitamin E, which is an advanced hydrating formula that generates the skin from deep within. It helps increase the hydration on your skin. The best part of our oxygen serum is it will heal damaged skin. Are you wondering about your dark circles and also the wrinkles under your eyes? Is there any solution? Yes, the best solution will be Precious Eye Serum. This one will be help to reduce the wrinkles under your eyes and also reduce the dark circles as well. So it also helps to reduce all the wrinkles over your face, not only under eyes as well as your forehead. Brightening Moisturizer Cream will be the favorite product for most of us because Brightening Moisturizer Cream is really suitable for all type of skin. It's help to moisturize your skin and also giving hydration to your skin as well. Moisturizer plays an important role in our daily skincare routine. It has a unique and non-greasy formula that is infused with herbal extract. Are you skipping your UV protection on your day routine? Then you have to know that your skin also actually having an impact from sunlight. So UV protection is the best solution for uneven skin tone, sunburn and also for reduced anti-aging. Our UV protection SPF 30 could be one of the best UV protection in market because it's offer broad spectrum UVA and also UVB sun protection. Rich in antioxidant to help absorb free radicals. It absorbs quickly and can be worn under makeup. It also rich in vitamin C, leaves extract and also root extract. Our UV protection helps to lighten discoloration and also pigmentation. And it's reduce acne, scar and also improve your skin tone as well. So this will be the last product that we are going to have a look on our skincare product. This is a water glow sleeping mask, which could be say the best sleeping mask ever. It's almost like a Korean style. This one is no need to be washed after using, just will be absorbed into your skin and giving a very glowing look, and also it's helped to give a moisturizer to your skin as well. The next product that we are going to have a look is Vitamin E Oil. Our Vitamin E oil is really helpful for fade off the scars and marks not only on your face but for entire of the body, including the pregnancy scratch marks. Our Vitamin E oil helps to reduce dark spots and prevents sign of aging. It balances oil production on skin, and most importantly, it protects the skin from sunburn. Finally, it treats and prevents fine lines, wrinkles and scars. Next, we are going to talk about our self-care product, which is Feminine Wash. Our Feminine Hygienic Intimate Daily Wash formulated with prebiotic and 7 herbal extracts. It balances the pH and restricts the growth of harmful microbacteria. It's gentle to the skin and provides a long-lasting freshness. It also really helpful for brighten, stinginess and also itchiness problem. Now let's talk about our famous wellness product Detox Plus. The main purpose of consuming Detox Plus is not only for reduce weight, but it's really helpful for remove away the toxic from your body, and also it's help to level your cholesterol and also your blood sugar level, and it's really helpful for constipation issue as well. So many of our customers after consuming Detox Plus, they have given a very positive feedbacks. Next, we are going to talk about our number one selling product, which is our Hair Care Professional Series. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner reduce hair fall and nourishes the hair. It also helps to reduce appearance of hair thinning. It also helps to reduce breakage and also the split ends. For those who are having dandruff problem, this shampoo will help to keep your scalp clean. Many of our customers has given a positive feedback regarding their dandruff issues. Most of our customers have noticed baby hair growth after they use this booster serum consistently for 1 month. Our Oxygen Hair Growth Booster Serum formulated with 14 powerful herbs, which really helpful for hair growths. This booster serum will help prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Our Intensive Repair Leave-On Hair Mask formulated with coconut oil, olive oil and vitamin E. It provides natural shine for hair and prevent dry hair and also split ends. Our hair mask could be said that one of the best masks in market because you don't have to wash after using it. Our styling and nourishing natural hair oil comes with SPF 15, which helps to protect your hair from sunlight. It helps maintain healthy hair and silky look. The specialty of our hair oil is non-sticky and it smells good. Okay, now we are going to talk about our latest cosmetic product, which is Lip Mate. It's come in a box which have 5 shades of colors. The names will be Rising Star, Just Believe, Dream Big, Lady Boss and also Wonder Woman. These 5 colors of Lip Mate are formulated to impart your lips with the light feels texture, high pigment, matte finish and increase the long lastingness. It also helps to soften lips and maintaining lips moisture. So we have completed reviewing all our products. Hopefully you have some basic information about the product. If you have any enquiries or you want to know more details about the product, feel free to contact us with the number provided. Thank you.